be Armenian, be Russian, be one bad son of a bitch, okay? It's okay.
Vladimir.
So, if you want to put $5,000 down, you've got three choices. At 48 months, you save the most money, okay? You pay it off quicker, and you put yourself in a position to trade sooner. At 72 months, the payment is much more comfortable. It's also way more flexible because you can gain all the benefits I just talked to you about here. You just do it in your own time frame. And this right here
What benefits?
is the shorter term you finance it for, the more money you save. Whether you borrow the money from your bank, my bank, or your Aunt Judy. The shorter the time the money's borrowed, the more money you
Okay, I
save.
understand that. What payment include?
This payment includes a service contract, which makes sure that for the next 5 years or 100,000 miles, you don't pay for a automobile repair. It includes a maintenance policy, which means for the next 5 years, when you bring your vehicle in for routine maintenance, you don't pay. And it also includes a gap policy, which means should you crash your car and have it totaled, you would not be responsible for any deficiency balance that might be due the bank. Someone else would. So, there's your most comfortable payment. There's the one that saves you the most money. There's the best of both worlds. Circle or initial the one that works best for you. Okay, that right there.
So how much payment without that stuff?
Say it's $100 less.
Well, I can't afford more than I want to be about 570.
570 instead of 672? Well, you're already there. Okay, not a problem. Look, even though you're going to write a check for $672 at 72 months, you're not going to actually be paying that much. Okay?
Why?
Good question. Let me show you.
I just want to learn it if you don't mind.
I'm going to send you these videos too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll send you these videos. You're going to write the check for $672. I know you don't want to. Heck, nobody does. I don't want to either. You don't want to sign it. You don't want to send it to the lender. But that's what you will do so you can drive the vehicle of your dreams. But this is a $44,000 vehicle. Okay. 6 years from now, you're going to have no car payment at all. You're going to have paid that vehicle off, and you're not going to have paid $672 a month for it. Your net payment will be significantly lower. 6 years from now, what do you think that $44,000 vehicle will be worth?
30 grand.
30 grand? That's probably a little aggressive.
Okay.
Let's say it's only 20, okay? So you've got a $20,000 vehicle, because once you make that last payment, what comes back to you in the mail? The title, all right? And it's just got one name on it, and that's your name. Do me a favor, take your phone, open up the calculator, please. What's 20,000 divided by 72?
20,000.
Divided by 72.
277.
You know what that 277 represents,
No.
Alexander? That's the amount of money that you're going to save every single time you make a car payment.
How?
Because the 672 is going, you're sending it to American Honda Finance.
Okay.
Okay? But then at the end of the term, you have a $20,000 asset, which means every time you make a payment, $277 goes straight to your title. And if that's the case, and it is, you've got 672 minus 277, which is 513.8. Your net payment on this vehicle is not going to be $500. It's going to be $385. At the end of the term, that's what you've paid to drive this vehicle, which is a little over $10 a day. I just need your okay right here.